In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize Shopify Woodstock Theme OS 2.0. If you want your online store to look more like your brand, the theme settings are the place to start. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the exact places you need to click and what to adjust so you can personalize colors, typography, and layout in a clear, organized way. Maroc and Brilkane Purse. First, click Online Store. This is usually found inside your Shopify admin dashboard. When you click it, you will see options related to how your storefront is set up, including your theme. Take a moment to confirm you are in the right section. You should be looking for the area that manages your storefront themes, not product settings or payments. Next, click Edit Theme. Once you are in the theme area, Shopify will show you your active theme or your available theme options. Clicking Edit Theme is the step that opens the editing controls for the theme files and customization panel. This matters because it ensures you are making changes to the correct theme, and it gives you access to the theme settings you will use right after this. Now, click Theme Settings. After you select Edit Theme, you should see a sidebar or a menu where you can manage different parts of your theme. Theme Settings is where the main design options live. This is the section that controls broad styling choices, such as the colors used across your store, the typography settings that affect fonts and text appearance, and the overall layout behaviors. At this point, you will customize colors, typography, and layout. This is the most important part of the process, so move through it slowly and watch the preview as you make changes. Start with colors. Look for options that let you change primary colors, background colors, button colors, and link colors. Choose values that match your brand style. As you adjust settings, check how the changes affect headings, buttons, and other key components so you know it looks consistent. Then focus on typography. Typography settings usually include choices for fonts, text sizes, and sometimes spacing or styles for headings and body text. Set typography to values that are easy to read and visually consistent. If your store uses a particular style, such as bold headings or clean modern body text, update the typography options to reflect that. While doing this, keep an eye on the on-screen preview, because small changes can make a noticeable difference in how your store feels. After that, review layout options. Layout controls can influence how content is arranged, how wide sections appear, or how spacing is handled across the theme. The goal is to create a layout that looks balanced, with clear hierarchy and comfortable reading. If there are controls related to section spacing, alignment, or content width, adjust them based on what you see in the preview. This step matters because layout is what turns good styling into a polished user experience. Finally, click Save. Once you are satisfied with the changes you have made to colors, typography, and layout, saving is what makes your updates official. After you click Save, take a moment to ensure the updated design appears in your preview or storefront view. If anything does not look right, you can usually go back into theme settings and adjust again. But saving confirms the version you want to keep, and that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.